My fault. That was kind of embarrassing. I'm sorry. But thank y'all so much for watching the Drumline video series of 2023. It has been passed on to me, and I gotta do this shit now. Oh my god! But enjoy.
Here at the Connecticut Hurricanes, we eat pizza and
we eat Big Y pizza and Big Y sandwiches during the winter camps. Really shitty.
really bad.
Really bad. And then DCA weekend, when DCA weekend comes around,
I'm already ready for DCA weekend.
crackers and peppers.
Raw vegetables with no fucking ranch.
Raw vegetables.
Fucking vegetables.
It's Connecticut for you. Nah, I want it. I'm gonna keep it. Nah, I'm keeping it. I'm telling you, I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it. Team Scoms.
Alright, yo.
TEASER, Hertz Drumline video series 2023.
We just got done with the New Haven parade, yo. We gotta walk all the way back.
I hate my life.
So y'all want to see something kind of funny? Hold on. So Sauce was doing a fucking video assignment, and his nephew decides to scream as loud as he possibly can in the background at the perfect time. Please.